We have a mystery box today! Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today. I am so excited because we have a mystery box! These are the best unboxings because you never know how it's going to go, right? Like it could be really good and then it could also be really bad, but I have no idea what's going to happen today. This mystery box is also going to be the first time I've ever looked at this beauty company before. So I've never tried their products before. I've never shopped with them. I don't know anything about their brand other than the few little things I looked at on their website and I was like, okay, this is worth trying out. So literally the only thing I know is that this is a cosmetic company. They do sell their products online. They're an indie brand. And then they also make mystery boxes. And that was enough for me to just take the gamble and see what happens. So today we are checking out a mystery box from Prados Beauty. This is their largest mystery box that they have available right now. There are 3 different mystery boxes on their website. You can purchase the smallest one, which is $25. You're supposed to receive $75 worth of product in exchange for your $25 purchase. They also have a $50 mystery box. That one is supposed to have $150 worth of product in it. And then there's the big boy. This one is a $100 mystery box and we are supposed to have $200 worth of products inside of it. Now, everything that I read online about these mystery boxes is that you will receive full-size products. There was no mention of there being samples or travel-sized items at all. Every listing said that they were full-size products. So that does make me excited. I think the value is good, $100 for $200 worth of products. That could be a really good sign. The other thing that I liked is that there were good reviews on their website. So they do have a customer base that really likes their products. So like I said, it was enough for me to gamble it and just see what happens today. I truthfully thought about getting all 3 of the mystery boxes, but then I was like, you know, if I get all 3, there's a chance they're gonna dump them all into one box and then I won't know which one goes to which bundle. So that's why I just did the $100 bundle. But if this goes well, we may get the other ones. So let's get into this box, you guys, and check it all out. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the top and then I'll give you your first sneak peek. Oh, look at this. There's a little note on top. So I think it's my order form, but I think they wrote on here as well. It says thank you. So it says gift enclosed. Did I get a free gift as well? Well, that's cute. So yes, this is just my order form that says $100 mystery box on it and then my shipping info. And then it says gift enclosed. Here's what the mystery box looks like. There's a lot in here. Holy bananas. You guys, I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting this much product. I mean, there's like 20 items in here. This is insane. And I think these are all palettes. And you guys, there's multiple palettes. Like, do you see the layers? There's 1, 2, 3. There's like 5 palettes in here. Okay, this is a great way to start the mystery box off. So I'm not sure if they have the free gift labeled or not. You know what? I'm just gonna start from the top. We're gonna start from the top and then we're gonna work down. I am so excited. I'm starting to shake right now, you guys, because this is a lot better than what I was expecting. I figured we'd get like a few products, but this looks really good. So first up, I believe we have a palette here. This is the Prados Beauty and Stephen Paul Judd collab, and this one is called their OG Blush Palette. So this brand is all cruelty-free. They're also all vegan. So just so you know, I'm not going to mention that on every product, but the entire brand is. Oh, I love this bright pink. Look at those. Actually, it matches the colors. I see the color story playing out here. So here's what our blush palette will look like. This one is so Barbie, right? It's like a pink blush with silver shimmer in it. And it's something that I think Barbie would wear. It's just gorgeous. This has got a peach hue to it. These ones are gonna have a little bit more of a yellow undertone. So I do feel like they are going to work for everyone's skin type or skin color. So they've got something for every person. But this one, that is definitely the one I'm drawn to. Okay, that was good. Let's try product number 2. Now this one looks very similar for the packaging. So I don't know if I got 2 of the same things or not. So this one is, oh no, it's a highlighter palette. But it's from the same collab that they did with Stephen Paul Judd. So this is what it looks like here for the packaging. Honestly, see what I mean? They're identical. It's just that this one actually says on the back that it is a highlighter. Ooh, look at this pink highlighter. Oh my gosh. All right, so here's what it looks like for the palette. So the camera, I think, is kind of making these two look very similar. They are a gradient. They're a little bit different. First off, up here, we have got a pink highlighter. This one is a lot more pink. See how, like, further away from the light, you can see that it's more of a pink shadow. Then when I get close, it kind of washes it out a little bit. So then this one's going to be a little bit more of that champagne color. Then they progressively get a little bit darker. So this goes more bronze. So it's like champagne, gold, bronze is what I see with this palette. It's very pretty. And again, I like that they have something for every skin color. That way you can still use the product. And I feel like you could wear all of these. I just am drawn to the pinks because they're so pretty. All right, let's try something different. There are some larger palettes, but let's look at a couple other things. So the next item that I have in here are some lashes. So these are the Luxe Faux Mink Lashes. Ooh, I do love that. Well, that would make sense because they are cruelty-free. These are some strong lashes. So you can definitely tell they have lots of fibers on them. You can obviously cut these if you need to, but I feel like the idea with this set is to give you volume. So that way you can have, you know what I mean, a little bit more volume with your lashes. And then you could add these on. It does state that they are reusable, so you could always keep them clean and then continue to reuse them. These I'm probably gonna save for a giveaway. I don't really wear lashes. Oh, and there's another box in here, so I'll show you these ones too in my mystery box. But yeah, I'm just not really a lash person, so I think I'm gonna put both of these in my giveaway box and then we'll do a giveaway down the road. Next up, I have got the Buildable Baddie Mascara. See, this is really what I want to try. I want to get into their beauty products and try these out and see what the formula is like. You know, how does it feel? Does it flake off? I have never tried this brand before. So anybody that watches this video, comment down below. Give me some insight into this brand if you have used their products before. Also, it helps all of my viewers then. If we can all help each other out with reviews, I love that we can have a supportive community. So here's what it looks like for that black mascara. That is some thick fibers. Look at that. So this will definitely give you volume. I think it's going to give you lift as well, just looking at how this is made. So it will lift up those lashes. I like that there's also a lot of mascara on the wand. So it picks up a lot of product even with one pull or swipe here. Okay. Good signs. These are all full-size products that we've opened up so far too, so that's another win. The next item that I have is one of their liquid lipsticks. So this one is in the shade Chief Woman. Ooh, all right. I like this color. It's got kind of a, what do I want to call this? It reminds me of a sunset, actually. It's very pretty. So you've got like a reddish tone going on. It looks like it might be even a tint where it will stain your lips a little bit. One thing that's cool about this applicator is that see how it curves? So it's designed to hug the lips and give you maximum application. But I also like that there's actually a little hole in the center of it. So it will hold more product. And that way you can apply as much lipstick as you need, even with just one dip again. I appreciate the craftsmanship. This is a good design. I'm going to use the non-curved side to do a quick swatch and show you what it looks like. But wow, is that bold. All right, that is a beautiful lip. It is a matte lipstick. The coverage is amazing. I love how that looks. It's just not my shade. I love it for somebody else and it looks gorgeous, but I'm just not a red lip person. This is again going to be a giveaway item. So we are up to product number 7 right now in this box. I would say we are roughly halfway through the box, which is just crazy to me. So the next item that I have in here is going to be their Done with the Slay Makeup Remover. This is 120 mil for this size. All right, here's what it looks like. So this will be our full-size bottle of makeup remover. It is just a plastic bottle, so very lightweight. Let's do a palette next. I've been holding you in suspense. So for product number 8, let's open this up and do a palette. This one, I'm not quite sure yet if it's an eyeshadow palette or what, but I would guess this is eyeshadow. So it's called the Sagrado palette. I think that's how you pronounce it. Ooh, the palette itself is all textured too. You can do a little ASMR with this if you want to. It feels great. So inside of your palette, ooh, look at the hummingbirds. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, there's a lot to take in. So it says proudly indigenous, unapologetically beautiful. So here is what your palette looks like. And on every one of these, you're getting hummingbirds. Isn't that awesome? So it doesn't show up on camera very well, but in person, there, you can kind of see it at an angle there. Do you see how vibrant those colors are too? Like they come to life. This corner with these shimmers, holy bananas, those are amazing. They are glowing in the light. Gosh, those blues are awesome. You know what's great about this? So they've numbered these on the side. So you've got a row. If you look at like each row, see how cohesive that blue-green row is? And then you move up, you get your silvers and your neutrals. You know what I mean? So you're getting a look with each row. And I think that's really cool. And so then they've labeled these out. I wonder if they have tutorial videos and that way they can be like, hey, you're gonna go in with your P3 shadow or something like that. You know what I mean? That is just super awesome. I love the layout. So this is what it looks like for this palette. You get mattes in here. There's shimmers as well. No glitters, which is okay. It's just an observation. Product number 9 is in this bag and it looks like this. So I think we've got maybe a towel here, or is this a headband? So it says Prados here on the front, and then yes, we've got a Velcro headband. So you can put this on and hold your hair back, and that way you can do your makeup remover. You can then wash your face and everything, and your hair will stay dry. This might be the free gift. I'm not sure, but I could see that being a free gift added. We also have in here a primer. This is Start with the Slay primer. So this one seems a little bit smaller. It said we were getting all full-size products, so I'm guessing this is just the size of their primers, but it's 10 mil or 0.33 ounces is the size. So it's not very big. Maybe this is the free gift. Maybe? I could see that. I just feel like primers would be a little bit larger than that is all. But anyways, all right, moving on. The next item that we have in here is their Buildable Baddie Mascara. It's their After Hours Black Mascara. Now, is this the same as the one we saw earlier? Let me see here. I take it back, you guys. This one that I showed you earlier was brown. It says so right down here on the bottom that it's a brown mascara. This one is the black mascara instead. So very similar, but yeah, one is black and one is brown. I messed that one up. Well, it was so dark, I couldn't even tell that it was a brown mascara. So this is definitely travel size. See, that looks exactly like the other one. So I couldn't even tell that it was different. So that brown is like a dark brown mascara. We're gonna check out our next palette in here, and look at how big this is, you guys. Oh, and it's an Allure winner. I did not realize that. Check it out, you guys. So 2022, they were the Best of Beauty Award winner for this palette. All right, that's exciting. So I gotta tell you guys, the way that I found this mystery box is I just did a simple Google search, and I was just Googling beauty mystery boxes, and I found a few other brands, and I did get those as well. And then I saw this one pop up, and I was like, all right, well, let's try it. You know, after I looked at their website, I was like, might as well. I had no idea, though, that they had ever won a Best of Beauty award. So that is super exciting. This is a gorgeous palette. I love the indigenous look that they've added to all of their beauty products. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. This is my palette. This is so my palette. I had to get my hand free because I'm freaking out over here. I don't want to drop the palette, but I needed a moment to just like freak out, you guys. I can't even talk. Look at these colors. Okay. Now I know why this won the Allure Best of Beauty Award. This is fantastic. So first up here in this top row, you're getting all of the pinks and purples. I love that you get like this warm gradient shift and then you get your cool tones down here on the bottom. So again, they're very good at their palette layouts and it makes sense, which I think is awesome. This green, look at that shimmer. Cannot wait to play with these. And then of course you're gonna have some neutral browns. I like that you get a really dark black as well, so that way you can smoke out the edges of your eye looks. But this is just fantastic with all of the different shimmers. All right, this one is better than the last one. And there's even like these coral and orange tones. That is my sister's favorite color, is a coral shade. So I totally see Jordan over here in this corner. She's probably gonna wanna try this, and I'm not gonna let her because I wanna try it first. I don't put my foot down often, but this one, yeah, this is definitely staying with me. This is great. I lost count. Are we up to 11? I think we're up to product number 11 now, but there's so many. So the next product inside of my box, which I think is number 11, we have another one of their liquid lipsticks in here. So this one is in the shade Sacred Butterfly. Now I like this color. So this one's a little bit more of a pink shade. So we'll do a quick swatch with this. Same exact applicator as the last one. So I still really like that. But that color is much more my speed. So last item inside of my mystery box then today is another giant palette. You guys, I just have to point this out that we had 5 palettes inside of this mystery box. And 3 of them are eyeshadow palettes that happen to be huge. They're not even like the miniature eyeshadows. So I'm just already surprised because I feel like this was a very generous mystery box. So here is what this palette looks like. And as far as the shadows go, we got another rainbow palette! No way! Okay, I found another palette I'm gonna keep. Look at, these are even more vibrant than the last palette. This is so my jam. Okay, you guys, I have to tell you that for not having ever opened up anything from this brand, I love their style. Like, I love the colors. I love how there's so many pans inside of this palette as well. These are amazing. So a lot more mattes in here than there are shimmers. The other palette definitely had more balance as far as the matte to shimmer ratio, but I still feel like these colors are amazing. This one down here, again, my sister, it's got that orange coral vibe. These are so pretty, and I love how vibrant they are. I'm trying to not get the camera lights to wash them out, and when I turn it here on the angle, I feel like you can see really how vibrant they are, but wow, this is so much fun. Oh, I am so excited. This makes me want to go play with makeup because it's also something that I love to play with. And so I love the fact that I feel inspired. So that is everything inside of my $100 mystery box from Prados Beauty. Comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this mystery box? So let me give you a quick recap just to review what we had today. As far as how many products we had, I believe we were at 12 total products. Now, they did advertise online that they would send us all full-size items. It's a little hard for me to verify because I'm not familiar with this brand. I do question the small primer in here, if this is actually a full-size product or not. I also feel like that one mascara, I'm not sure where it ran off to, but one of the mascaras was a travel-sized one as well. So I don't know if those are the free bonus products. Were those the free gifts that were included? It potentially could be. But for the most part, they did send us all full-size products. I think the part that's super exciting is these palettes. To get 5 palettes in here is so much fun. And they did send me palettes that I will use. Like, these are exciting. I like the color story. So yeah, I'm very impressed that they sent so many palettes in this mystery box. Now, if you guys are interested, like I said, I've got the link down below. You can try out even their smaller mystery boxes. You probably are not going to get as many palettes as I have here today if you go with a $25 mystery box. But I would assume they're going to give you a palette in every mystery box is kind of what I'm picking up on. So I felt like this was a great way to be introduced to their brand, try out something different. Now I can try out their formulas and see what I think as well. As far as the breakdown goes per price, keep in mind I spent about $100 for this. We got 12 items. You're paying about $8 an item in here. $8 for these full palettes? That's a great deal. So I had a great experience. I honestly don't have anything negative to say about this mystery box, which is a really good sign. So I've got the link down below if you guys want to go check it out, but I recommend this today. This is Sydney approved. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you in my next unboxing video. Bye.